It's pretty annoying when you take your laundry out of the machine, expecting it to be gleaming, and you realise that you've still got a stain. Now this top here, just taken out of the washing machine, I can see I've missed a stain. It looks to me like tomato or chilli or curry, something like that. They've got a bit of winter sunshine here, so no rinsing or squeezing. I'm just going to put this on the line facing the sun. So there's my stain there, and this top here has got a couple. There's one, and there's one. Drip dry. Okay, so I've left my shirts out all last night and today. It's now mid-afternoon. Let's have a look. Stain disappeared. There were stains on this shirt as well. Disappeared. So curry stains, tomato stains, mustard, turmeric, baby poo, fruit stains, pure magic, and a little bit of winter sunshine, even bright daylight.